Ayun na sa'yo. I am back of recording. Hello. So today, I'm playing Roa Garden. My dog likes it. It gets me so hard. Hey! Marami yan. 3, 2, uy, wag! Wag! Mayak na siya. So guys, right here, my little brother just joins. Oh, make me the one flip the top. Go make me the top. Every trip we drop, piece and pop. That's what I'm doing to be hot. Kaya mas tatanong ako sa iyo. Ano? Nakakatawa si Mr. Bean. Nakaubad ko nga siya ng short eh. Dahil sabi ni Mr. Bean, ganito yung nag-slide siya. Nag-aakyat. Tinapak ng... Dahil sabi ni Mr. Bean, ganito oh. I'm not scared. Dahil sabi niya, kuya, basta ganito, sabi niya. Natumba. Dahil sabi niya, 1 quadrillion. I'm giving this guy $1 quadrillion. Sino?
Mamaya matulog na kayo ng oras na.
Sino? This, 1 quadrillion. Hindi ako? Hindi. Because this one is newbie. Can you please add something? They don't care. Never mind. I was sick. I will give this guy $1 quadrillion. Confirm. Who give me 1 quadrillion Robux? Someone give me a Robux. Bro, it's just 100 million. Yo. My Robux? I will give this guy 1 quadrillion too. Bro, you're trying to scam me. Oh, that's what I wanted. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yes. Okay, I gave you 100 quadrillion. Sino? This guy, this robot. I didn't lose any money. Yes, I have a grizzly bear. Put this grizzly bear. Thanks, bro. Thanks for giving me the grizzly bear. Although, kuya, basta alam mo, nag-dance kami doon ng soda. Pag ganito, sabi namin, doon. Ganito yun. Ganito si King eh, ganito. Ayun. Saan yun? Kanila tita. Kanila auntie. Di ba ate yan? 1 million lang yung pera ni Jen. May soda pop nila. Ba't ang tagal ng soda pop?
Hello. Sleep. Milo.
Papa Jesus, Kim gusto to.
Do you mind washing your plate? It's just one plate, what's the big deal?
Milo, how?
And $100 quadrillion. Ba't kamukha ng girl ng book ni Papa Jesus? Kamukha ng... Ikaw naman, sumabi ka nun. Yes, this guy is giving me the rare pet. Yeah, rarest pet. Oh man, I don't like pets. If this guy scam me, I will decline this.
Hey,
Don't try to scam.
Hello.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, sir. I have now.
sleep na, sleep.
I now have this. A turkey. Just kidding. A bird. Join to me, Papa Jesus Ram.
Sleep.
I don't want to. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro, for giving me.
After my mom kicked me out, I don't know what I was gonna do. What? We'll just for
Wait.
like a little while. You know? It's like a
Yeah, I do that. I do that last time. Just do. I go happy. Like a top wall up. Kanina, nakaklit ako sa mas mataas.
really hard tonight right now. You don't wanna help me? Of course I want to help you, my little sister.
Start to wall up.
There's always a difference from trying to help somebody and letting them take advantage of you. Now that Ashley isn't able to rely on her brother anymore, she takes finding a job a lot more seriously. Soon enough, she gets hired by a company.
I'm bored. I have nothing to do with this street light thing. Huh? How you got a street light? I want the challenge from Jendel's game. Jendel? Kilala yun ng class ko si Jendel. Tumatanong, nagsasagot na daw si Jendel. Jendel. And $100 quadrillion again. 100 quadrillions again. Bro, what? I was trying to scam you. Yes, sir. I got a rare pet today. But I needed more. So guys, give me this. Many views, many comments, many likes. Goodbye.
I'm really sorry for everything.
I'm super like.